Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. Today is Friday the 7th of April and I'm Nigel Croft. In this video we're looking at the European indices, the CAC and the AEX, and what we'll see is that the technical picture on both these indices is still positive. Okay, so here we have the daily on the CAC. So each bar represents one day. I know it's a bit small for you. It's just the fact that the market's gone left to right and we're all getting a bit small. What I'll do just for the short term is let's concentrate on this area here. And what you can see is this yellow line is the 20-day moving average, and the market came back to that on the 22nd of March and the 27th of March and bounced up quite nicely. Obviously today's a slight red day given what's happened in Syria, but you can see yesterday we had a very positive engulfing picture where the whole day's candle engulfs the previous day's candle. That's a positive technical indicator. Here you can see on the short-term chart that the RSI is still 62.85, still well above 50, and the MACD are well above zero. Slight turn there. Let's go back to the full picture, and here you can perhaps see that the RSI is maybe just showing that the momentum is slightly coming out of the market, but no concern yet. I mean, a market that's had a run like this can consolidate for some time, but without affecting the technical picture. And this technical picture is still positive. We're above the 20-day, above the 50-day. On any pullback, the 20-day will give support, as we saw earlier in March. Let's now look at the longer term picture. This is a weekly chart, and you can see that there is then resistance that comes into play back from July 2015 and April 2015. That's the key resistance levels. Here you're seeing the 20-week and 50-week are slightly getting left behind. So maybe some consolidation here, let the moving averages catch up, and then we'd have a push through and hopefully break this resistance. On the 4-hour chart, you can see, I mean, obviously today we've had a down bar to start the day, and we're consolidating now, actually consolidating on the 24-week average, which is again quite interesting. Here you can see the flag that's been created, RSI just drifting and MACD drifting as we seem to be losing a bit of upside momentum. But as I said, as long as the moving averages hold, one would expect the eventual move to be on the upside. And looking at the support resistance levels, you've got the support, as I said, at the 20-day 50.49.89 and then at 49.59 spot 1, with the resistance on the upside 51.39.1. That was the high earlier in the week, and then the second resistance is from 2015, and that's 52.24.9. Okay, now moving on to the AEX, and here we have the daily on the AEX. What you can see is, again, it's maybe a bit small for you, but just look at the overall picture. We had the rally up in December, which was very good, then a flag sideways, and we've had a further rally, and we seem to be having another flag to the side here. Now let's look at the more recent trend, and you can see again the 20-day moving average. This yellow line is the support factor, with the 50-day and 200-day quite a way below the market, but they are still supportive in that they're still moving upwards. On the RSI, again slightly loss of momentum, and again on the MACD. On the longer term picture here, it's slightly better than the CAC. We have actually broken through those resistance levels from 2015, so we're in new high ground, or we were early in this week. So there'll only be one resistance point when I come to show you the supports resistance. Again, slightly moving away from the 20 and the 50 day, a bit of a gap appearing, so any consolidation would be positive, but the overall picture is good. And very quickly looking at the 4 hourly, and again that you can see the 20 average on the 4 hours giving the support, 50 starting to roll, but don't worry about it at this stage. RSI still above 50, maybe in a downtrend, MACD going sideways. And looking at the support resistance levels on the AEX, as I said, there's only one resistance. That's from the high earlier this week at 518.9, with the support at the 20-day 513.39 and then 506.2. So that has been TA for Traders, looking at the CAC and the AEX. I hope you found that of interest. If you did, please do subscribe to the channel. I'll be coming back shortly with further videos. Please do remember that these videos are not investment advice. They're only my opinion and are for educational purposes only. And to that end, please do read the disclaimer. Thank you.